Dear kids, come, let's practice the sound of D. We have practiced the sound of A, B and C. Sound of D is D, 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 dog. D, D, duck. D, D, drum. D, D, drum. D, D, door. D, D, door. D, D, doll. D, D, doll. Thank you for watching.